Hi there, this is Darren from Treasure Life Family Farms, and I'm going to do something to clean off a battery. But I don't know if it's sanctioned by the good people of the internet or not. We've done this more at the farm where I was growing up because we had dozens of pieces of equipment and and batteries and everything. This is Arm & Hammer baking soda. So this is a little basic, and then I'll show you my battery on this Kubota. It has kind of an acid residue kind of thing going on. So what we would do back in the old days is just take a little baking soda, warm water, and kind of get this all mixed up. And now I'll go show you the battery on the Kubota, and we'll take a look at that, and then I'll show you what I do with this, and we'll see if we get an explosion. All right, hang on there. All right, there's our battery, and so the dark, this is clean, you know, just a little dust or whatever. All this dark stuff is acidic, and so we want to neutralize that and then kind of wash it off. So the basic that we're pouring here kind of should do the trick, I would hope. So internet, I'm kind of curious. Is this what you do? Do you approve, disapprove? What do you think of all that? I've got to shut down here and go get another. I'm going to get a little bit more warm water, a little more baking soda mix, and then do the positive terminal over here just a little more. I think we're not quite done there yet. And then, in the end, we'll use kind of a cool water to, you know, flush out the whole deal here. So, let me go grab another jar of water. Be right back. All right, back with the second little jar of basic here. I'm gonna grab a screwdriver and pick at that thing right there that's between the terminals. I'm gonna knock that thing out of there. Kind of a goopy. Anything else with our last little bit here? All right, so there's that. Kind of wanted that thing to get out of here. So theoretically, the acid and the basic are mostly blended together and neutralized. I'm sure my balance is not all that great on it. So my next move is going to be to just bring, I don't have a hose, so I can't just kind of wash the whole thing down very good, but I'll probably do about 4 or 5 quarts of just cold water. So that's my next little flush here. So let me go grab that. All right, we're back with just regular water. The idea, I guess, at this point is I kind of want to flush off any of the acid basic mix that I've been doing, and I want to kind of do that for the battery on top and the terminals, but I also want to get down there where my solution is it's down there. It'll rust things off. You can already see that this, I don't know if you can see that bracket down there at the bottom, looks like either the welds broke from too much rattling around or battery acidated or whatever, I don't know. But anyways, I want to flush a lot of this out, or at least dilute it down a whole lot more. So I'll go do a few more quarts of water, and then that'll really kind of be the end of this video. I am curious what y'all think of that. I grew up doing this on batteries that had this kind of thing. The other thing I guess I know for sure is this battery is about done. I never do put a new battery in this tractor. The tractor always gets the one out of my F-150, and the F-150 gets a new battery. So that's kind of how the progression works around this place. So I guess we're all done here. Like I said, I'm going to flush this a little more with just a few more quarts of just normal cool water. Try not to splash the acid basic juice up onto anything, but at the same time I want to kind of rinse it out a little bit better. So that's what I'm going to do. Thanks for watching, and I'm kind of curious what your feedback's going to be on this. I've been told a few times lately that how I do things isn't professional enough, and for people telling me that, I'm just doing my thing. I'm doing my channel, and not trying to get anybody hurt, not trying to tell anybody that I know how to do everything, but this is just me doing my little farm, and if you guys are better at it, then I don't mind. I'm just doing my thing. But I'm curious what you think of this thing, or if you do it a different way. Leave comments below, like and subscribe. I appreciate that. And that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching.